Hello viewers, welcome to Tanisha's kitchen. Today my recipe is chicken tandoori masala. So be prepared to watch the video. First of all, here I took half kg chicken boneless and I added curd into it, 5 to 6 tablespoons. Now let's add tandoori masala, 2 tablespoons. After that you have to add black pepper, 2 tablespoons. Add a pinch of food color, 1 tablespoon of salt, and let's mix it properly. Let's add a tablespoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Now take a lemon and squeeze the juice from it and add in the chicken. Let's keep for marination for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Here you can see I have taken chopped onions, just like this, capsicum, chopped capsicum, ginger garlic, and a small rounded onions also, with a sliced chilli. Let's make tomato puree from these tomatoes. Now you can see the chicken that has been marinated. Let's heat the karai on the gas and let's add oil, refined oil. The oil has been heated. Now let's add the marinated chicken one by one, like this, and let's cook for 10 minutes. I made paste of tomato and ginger garlic also. The chicken has been fried and cooked too. Then let's serve in a bowl. In the same karai, I will add cumin seed, that is jeera seed, and let it splatter. Now let's add cloves and cinnamon. Let it be brown and let's add now ginger garlic paste. Let us fry until the raw smell go off. let's add chopped onions and let us fry until it becomes light brown. Now let's add capsicum and the round small onions too, with the green chilies, now let's add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's add tomato paste. Cook for 2 minutes. Add jeera powder and coriander powder, 2 tablespoons. Add chicken masala. Add chicken. Cook till the oil separates from chicken. Now let's add a cup of water that it can be cooked from inside too. Now let's add kasuri methi, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Try the water and make it little gravy. Our chicken tandoori masala is ready. You can serve it hot with rice or chapati too. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon below.